Dr. Ferdinand Porsche, the founder of the Porsche Car Company, was a genius designer whose design ideas have influenced many today. He has designed the Beetle, the elephant-heavy tank destroyer, the Typ82e Kübelwagen, the Typ166 Schwimmwagen, and Lohner Porsche Mixed Hybrid, the world's first car powered by hub-mounted motors in the wheel. The Typ82e is a great start to realistic scale RC models. The Typ82e, primarily offered to senior officers, uses a KDF wagon body on the exact same chassis as the Kübelwagen, a rear-mounted, rear-drive chassis with a limited slip differential. The post-war civilian version was the Beetle, which later became world famous. The air-cooled engine features no need for water to cooling, making it ideal for use in hot and cold environments. Hence, it was sent in large numbers to the North African Corps under Erwin Rommel, which is also the prototype of our Kommandeurswagen model. We start with engine. The Boxer air-cooled engine serves as the core of the car, an engine used in several later generations of classic cars and lasted 65 years in the Beetle. The cylinders of the horizontally opposed engine are distributed on both sides, a 130 motor in the right cylinder position and another 130 motor reserved for the left side, which can output twice as much power when we need. The engine crankshaft flywheel is connected by a belt to drive the generator and the cooling fan as well. The semicircular fan fairing is a major feature in which the airflow is distributed to the cylinders on both sides. All is faithfully restored on the model. Typ82e staff car has 4 forward gears. The corresponding red line of gear shift tips is available on the dashboard. On the model, we designed a 2-speed shift to simulate the speed of the first and third gears of the real car. The power crosses over from the top of the rear axle differential and then returns to the rear axle. The model shares the same structure as the real engine with the benefit of compactness, making it easy to switch between 4-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive modes. Now let's move to the chassis. The popular portal axle in today's climbing car market has been in mass production for this cars as much as 82 years ago. The front and rear wheels adopt torsion bar-sprung independent suspension. Solid load-bearing chassis with stamped central ridge tube chassis and body bears high torsional resistance. The central drive shaft and electrical wiring are hidden in the ridge tube. With regards to tires, the model adopts the same 5.25 by 16 off-road tires as the barrel car. The simulated wheels need to be fixed with 5 screws like the real car, and the spare tire in the front is readily accessible after opening the hood. Let's try the door handle. Pull outward. The door can be opened with the built-in spring lock push. When closed, you can hear the spring lock crisp kata sound. Door interiors are engraved with simulated fabric texture. Soft rubber seats share the same soft texture of the actual car cushion, perfect for 1 to 12 figures. As FMS always does, the model features a servo-operated steering wheel and front wheels for perfect synchronized action. Generally speaking, rear passengers do not have a separate door, which reduce the likelihood of a successful escape for rear officers in an emergency. To facilitate escape in the event of an attack and rollover, foldable soft canopy is set in the roof window. In the model, we set up a removable plastic roof carved with a fine weave pattern to simulate the texture of the cloth canopy. When removed, figures can be placed in the rear if you like. More exciting product features and designs will not be introduced here due to the space limit, but will appear as Easter eggs. Go and discover them yourself. Finally, thank you for purchasing FMS products. And don't forget, we also have another incredible off-road vehicle, Typ82e Kübelwagen, with the same chassis.